Dear students, welcome to Sia's digital classes. Today let us discuss a problem on binomial distribution. In the previous session we discussed the formula and the conditions of binomial. Now let us go for problem of binomial distribution. So you may expect for short type or long type also sometimes. So check it out how the example problem goes on. So here is an example we have. Suppose that half the population of a town are consumers of rice. So here is a data about some people who eat rice. So half the population they said. So half of the is the clue for us. We'll be using that. Now next 100 investigators are appointed to find out its truth. Whether it is true or false, some 100 investigators were there and they try to get the result whether half the population are rice eaters or not. They try to find it out. Next, each investigator interviews 10 individuals. Next, what they have done, 100 people are there, no? That 100 people they have tried to interview some 10 individuals. Means each person from that 100 people, each one they try to take the data from 10 individual people. Next, how many investigators do you expect to report that three or less of the people interviewed are consumers of rice? So here is a question that how many investigators are expected to report that three or less than three. So three or less than three is the condition which we have to concentrate, and whether the consumers are rice eaters or not, they have investigated that, and that is less than 3 or not, we need to check it out. So always we have to concentrate on this conditions, because probability is always based on that particular rules, that less than, more than words you have to be very keen with. So let us check it out the formula and how to go with the data. Now we know binomial distribution formula already we discussed, that is p of x is equal to x is ncx p power x q power n minus x is the formula. Previously we discussed as r and x one and the same, so don't get confused. Binomial distribution formula anyway you can represent, there r we considered as x, here x itself we are taking. So let x be the probability of persons out of 10 persons who are rice consumers. So x I am considering as 10 because each investigator has to go for 10 individuals, right? So x becomes 10 for us. Now next, what else we require? Let us check it out here. We need P and Q. Success and failures are the main points in binomial distribution formula. So P is the success, that is rice eaters we require, and those who did not eat rice, that is obviously failure, that is Q. Then how to identify how many are consumers of rice means, in the first statement they have given, suppose that half the population. So half is the clue for us. Half of the population are rice eaters means success we are considering as rice eaters, that is P. That means half we need to consider. So P is equal to 1 by 2. And obviously Q is 1 minus P, we know that the formula. So Q is equal to 1 minus P, write it down. Simply 1 minus 1 by 2 is again 1 by 2. So that is Q also we have obtained. And just now we discussed like 10 people they have to interview. So 10 individuals, that is N is equal to 10. Means here random experiment we discussed, right? Binomial means random experiment, doing again and again will to get our particular success or failure. So here they have to go for 10 individuals. So small n is 10. 10 times they have to take the interview. So n is 10 here. So now let us go for the substitution in the formula. So NCX we have, so 10CX, X let us discuss the condition, they have given the condition. First simply I am substituting NPQ. So P is 1 by 2 to the power of x, Q is 1 by 2 to the power of n minus x, that is 10 minus x. So this is a substitution. Now let us go for the condition for the x. So what is the condition? Just now we discussed, investigator, do you expect to report that 3 or less than 3? So 3 or less than is the condition they have given for us. So x is less than or equal to 3 we need to consider. So let us check it out that here condition just now we discussed is less than or equal to 3 we have to consider. So check it out, I wrote here probability of x less than or equal to 3 we have. So that means less than 3 we need to consider from 0 on. So P of x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 also you have to consider, less than or equal to we took, so up to 3. So x values we got, let us substitute all x values one by one, let us do, and then finally we'll add up all of them to get a condition that is less than or equal to 3. So first one I am considering P of x is equal to 0. So 10c 0, wherever x is there replace with 0. So 1 by 2 to the power of 0, 1 by 2 to the power of 10 minus 0. So that all you do with the calculator, get the answer, that is 1 by 2 power 10 I have obtained. Similarly, let us go for x is equal to 1. Simply replace wherever x is there, replace with 1 and obtain the answer. Here I have got some answer. Like that, go for x is equal to 2, 3 also. Now, all the final answers here we have to add up to get a probability of x less than or equal to 3. So, I have taken all the answers, take the LCM here and try to divide the values and get the answer, which is approximately 0.17. So, probability always lies between 0 and 1, we know that. So, always we'll get the answers as 0 point something. So, here I have got as 0.17. So, therefore, the expected number of supervisors who would report that there are 3 or less people were rice consumers, we got some answer. So, here, but investigators, how many are there? That also we have to consider, right? So, what I have done, 100 investigators are there, right? So, 100 into our probability for less than or equal to 3 individuals. So, less than or equal to 3 individuals we need to consider, but 100 investigators are also there. So 100 into our answer whatever we got. So I've got the answer as 17. So 17 is approximately 17.2 is our answer. So this is how we'll do the binomial distribution. So whenever conditions are there with success and failure and some number of random experiments, we'll go for binomial distribution. So hope you have understood this problem. See you all in the next session. Thank you.